Hello, Joseph. Good morning. Hello. More reconnected the gentleman back on the line. Hello, Joseph. Okay, the line. No. So this is the area I call what. Now this is the Western Region Road. This is a highway and your bush road.
Western Region. Say yeah. With Western Region roads in the be a terrible.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Terrible than this. And say Coco Road. Coco Road and Ameboa. One of those roads.
A highway from Sakwan way from Septibekwai to Asankragwa, Ajaka Manso. That's straight into where and yeah, main highway after Septibekwai Awoko Asankragwano. That is the main road.
And cut the 10,855 kilometers. No.
It's been awarded for a contract. And a contractor no wage idea to.
One will be contract now is Sikanka one to be fine your quino. And me coffee
Akoma FM 87.9
Western Region, the Kobanina. Mimi who says Aqua will know one of the Aquania. We as a will cry there, Papa. Because sometimes ut me see Africa Munua Watecha near Piaka aqua the other side of the road. And son I want to me at and I don't know me name coffee. Almost the best come from the west. But I think that the west come from the west. They be Oko Western Region. Oh, the best come from the west. But seriously, we just do Western Region park. There is no single development across the Western Region. Maybe Papa be any Western Region. Especially when the above
87.9
terrible. We're glad the COVID make us away there. Sometimes maybe about connected from even cocoa growing area.
No, but this is not
the highway.
This is no cocoa growing area. Be a crime, but this is a highway. Joseph, my ama wachamo akwa bamra kuma FM. Bibi abako there. Okay, last week you did come ananka about 26 communities of our Western Region. Ebe demonstration ema amaso. We told mu demonstration no baso nyame yadma wachina. Can you tell us exactly the entire situation and why that demonstration?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yeah, I don't pay me chair what you then last week, the new deal come on and now so more the Uruguay no. Jordan came last week, you know, and divisional commander at Torrance Afraid. If the many people come and cut there was a couple police over there.
But your over position we our line here very poor, very very poor.
Okay.
Every day.
The original commander by almost say now MPP to delegate conference, you know. Almost say as if you had no. You can try demonstration, so you can find kakra. The another man important and animal in a say if you push your call a was today. Two beside an correct. That I free regional commander Ghana Police Service by MG and a man you can join.
So what are these 26 communities are more yes demonstration? No?
26, you know, 16 million and a roadside, you know, trees and grass.
Monetwork Cranson Sanye. Monetwork Cran Abrantia, one network very, very bad. Bet me, Edina Yamayania, because Nadia okay. So, causes 16 communities in the war, a quinano director directly affected.
Yes.
Almost a handful.
And I'm saying, I think the black and Crasa, or being a Grammy, and Dominancy, Muskia Mehe, of number one, Atanian, Basu,
okay, therefore, as you can imagine, Western region, everything, we are the living legends, na bibi already a living legend. I think network requires so MYN. So arrangement more yeah from DC go CMP free bra mo declare our intention in komo be no mo ni mo di
free bra ne mo di komo de obia ni komo bia ko nan ka last week ni mo na o pese o de fidie ba pa no so be free baby bra na no de nsu na ma kwa ndi me ani se adwuma die ni to ni ndi obia bi
mo district ni ye district ben
district no na so that because I am you Wassa Amenfi Central and Amenfi West but maybe a quan say wo pa ya Amenfi Central maso Amenfi na here capital
and mo MP ni mo DC aware of all the situation.
Yeah.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Okay, Joseph, you better follow up. I think say a very poor network here, very bad. But I tell for way any from Quine Facebook page video I will show more show say Chrome TV and I pay any from Quine and I'm share a highway a link sashi be quite Domina Senkwanta Agona Asankragwa and Asankragwa were about 3 secondary schools our Sectec our
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
school and our more other commercial schools are one of the biggest communities within the area. We takradi friwa takradi friwa Asankragwa sumpa and Maso Amenfi nyina so eshempotemo, and this is what the community know and so terrible such that odwenwa wontiasie and no one of the issues and they obi abisa say why do we still get here JB